What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the garage. If you have watched my YouTube channel, you know that I pride myself on this space. I spend a lot of time, a lot of my money to do a lot of wall-mounted options to A, make me more efficient because I use this garage so much, and B, to class up the space. So today we're gonna do that with the audio solution. As you can see me prepping on the wall for some wall-mounted, very classy speakers. I'm gonna ditch this old sound bar. So not only we're gonna up the quality of the sound, it's also gonna look a lot better, and it's on a budget. So let's knock out the video. Let me know if you got any questions. Now for audio, today we're gonna be doing Polk ES10s. These things are awesome. I actually bought them really for what they look like. I had a roommate in the past that had Polk audio speakers and they sounded amazing. So that's exactly what I wanted. So these are ES10s, so they're the smaller housing. I went with the white with the gold finish, and these things sound amazing. I've tested them and they literally blow your mind with how crystal clear they are, especially compared to like a really old soundbar that I've been running for a while. Now these are just a tweeter and a mid. They're not really meant to be like bass producing, although you can kind of crank the bass on them and feel it just a little bit. They don't have a lot of depth to the sound. So what I'd rather do than blow these speakers. So we got a cheap Amazon subwoofer. This is sub $100. Has a 6.5-inch woofer, and really all it's supposed to do is add some depth to the sound. I don't really want to like necessarily feel it in your chest and have my neighbors hearing it. I just want to have the sound be a little bit more full, and this is going to do it. All of that will be powered by this Fosi or Fauci audio receiver. You're probably used to the old big receivers with knobs and like a display. Now they are this compact, which is absolutely amazing. It's going to rest right on my countertop. Has subwoofer controls, audio controls, easy on and off, and it is Bluetooth, so I'm gonna hook it up to my TV. You can also do a line-in input, and you have your left-right subwoofer, so it's very rudimentary. Lastly, we have a wall mount. These things are pretty cool. They're full metal, fully adjustable. They thread right into your speaker, and I think that they look pretty good. Okay, this tool is rad. This is made by Klein Tools, and it is meant to pull wire in a wall cavity. So all you have to do is drill a hole in the top and the bottom of your wall. It allows you to feed this into the hole in the wall and allows you to pull it down from the outside of the drywall. So let's see how it works. Okay, let me give you a high-level overview of these. So this is the receiver. It is full metal construction. These knobs are even metal, and when you turn them, they are just super high quality. So you have your subwoofer controls, treble, bass, which really controls the mids on my wall-mounted speakers, and then a power button right there. So we just turn the unit on. We'll also turn on the smart TV. You can actually see up in the corner my speakers are auto-connecting to the TV. And just like that, when you get a song going, all you do is come over here. And you can hear that now the audio from the TV is going through these absolutely amazing speakers. Okay, now it sucks a little bit that we can't use copyrighted music, so I connected my phone with non-copyright music. And what's cool is you can exchange your phone and your TV's Bluetooth with this unit very, very easily. So nevertheless, I'm gonna play a song here, and first we'll start off with just the speakers, and then we'll dial in the subwoofer, and hopefully you guys are able to tell the difference because it's pretty crazy. So nevertheless, let's hear it. All right, thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.